Gas Saluna has established a reliable supply system by utilizing various domestic and international raw material sources and equipping facilities for storing and filling hydrocarbon-based gases and refrigerants. This enables the company to promptly respond to changing global circumstances and provide stable supply to customers both domestically and internationally. Gas Saluna has now become a leader in industrial gases and gas applications. The demand for eco-friendly refrigerants is rising, reflecting humanity's increasing efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and protect the environment. This trend promotes environmental sustainability and presents significant business opportunities in the market. Gas Saluna operates a cutting-edge hydrocarbon refrigerant manufacturing plant in Gyeongju, acquired from Modern Korea Co., Ltd. We obtained the necessary permits for hydrocarbon refrigerants in 2022 and have since commenced commercial operations, supplying customers both domestically and internationally in real time. Our company specializes in a wide range of hydrocarbon-based gases and refrigerants, including propane, isobutane, isopentane, methane, ethane, propylene, and dimethyl ether. These products are readily available in various packaging options to meet our customers' specific requirements. At Gas Saluna, we employ trained experts in the hydrocarbon field and utilize advanced liquid gas hydrocarbon analysis equipment. Our real-time analysis system ensures high quality throughout the manufacturing and filling processes, guaranteeing premium gases and components. Additionally, we provide after-sales service to our customers by streamlining logistics and inventory management through our cylinder QR code system. The export of mixed refrigerants for Babcock LGS LNG reliquefaction systems, combined with innovative technologies developed over 35 years of expertise, enables us to contribute to the advancement of key industries. These include cooling down tests for LNG carriers, bulk hydrocarbon supply for DF engine testing, and other critical applications. We consistently supply complex refrigerants to Babcock's LNG reliquefaction systems by meeting strict international quality standards. We are constructing a global gas supply and distribution network to enable the swift delivery of gases worldwide. We are securing a reliable supply chain coupled with adequate quality control mechanisms. We invite you to partner with Gas Saluna for your eco-friendly refrigerant and industrial gas supply needs. Please contact us now to discuss collaboration opportunities and strengthen your business with our total gas solutions. Thank you for your attention. We will continue to strive to meet your expectations and support your success.